Hi, Dr. Tim. This is Bruce. I'm a little more than halfway through the Epic T journey through the study that we're doing. I wanted to give you a quick update on how I'm feeling and how I'm doing. One of the things I've greatly noticed about just the past 45 days is how lean my body is starting to feel. I've certainly dropped some weight, and I'm feeling great, but people are commenting to me both at work and in other places at how leaner my body is looking. And so eating clean, doing the Epic T protocol has been great. I look forward to continuing to do it for certainly the rest of the study and well beyond that as we move forward. Thanks so much.